Totes Tech. Web3 made easy every day. Learn, explore the simple way.
You're watching Totes Tech. Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for the latest in Web3, Polkadot, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Leave a comment to join the conversation. And be sure to share this video to spread the future of tech. Ever wondered what happens when a visionary leader steps back, only to return when the stakes are highest? We're diving deep into the recent leadership shifts at Parity Technologies and what it means for the entire Web3 ecosystem. Get ready to uncover the strategic moves shaping the future of decentralized innovation. Gavin Wood, the visionary co-founder, is set to resume his CEO role at Parity Technologies by August 2025. This isn't just a title change, it's a strategic move to accelerate innovation and execution. Wood initially stepped away in 2022 to focus on deep protocol research and development. He describes himself as a thinker, coder, and architect, always driven by building. His return is rooted in a desire to pair vision with day-to-day execution, moving faster into the next growth phase. It's about hands-on, creative leadership. The timing is perfect. Parity has matured, the market is ready, and the architectural foundation is solid. This unique blend promises to drive Web3 development trends. Years of R and AMP-ED have created a robust foundation, and market momentum is building for a new wave of adoption. Wood's return brings strategic vision and hands-on execution. This leadership update signals a speed-up for Parity and Polkadot. It aims to fast-track innovation and attract new builders to the ecosystem. For the Web3 community, it's a call to action. Whether you're launching a new chain or building tools, now is the time to lean in. Bjorn Wagner's departure marks the end of an era at Parity Technologies. After 9 years, including 3 as CEO, Wagner steps down, leaving a legacy of resilience and steady leadership. He guided the company through the challenging crypto winter. Wagner's tenure was like navigating a vintage motorcycle through a rainstorm. He kept Parity running, quietly upgrading its parts, even when market volatility threatened. His leadership was defined by strategic stability, focusing on core strengths. He didn't chase trends, but doubled down on shipping robust infrastructure for Polkadot. This approach provided security for the team and partners, allowing innovation to continue. Under Wagner, Parity didn't just survive, it grew. He broadened the company's reach into new industries and global regions. Parity's technology became a launchpad for diverse projects, ensuring the ecosystem's long-term viability. This CEO transition is secure and celebratory, built on trust and momentum. Wagner's exit is not a disruption, but a handoff. His contributions left a strong foundation, both technical and cultural. The leadership momentum he leaves behind is a testament to his ability to guide through uncertainty. The recent leadership update has sparked conversation, but for Parity's teams, the question is simple. Does a new CEO mean a new daily reality? The answer is a reassuring no. Operational changes are designed for stability, not disruption. Gavin Wood was clear. Nothing changes day to day. Teams, projects, and plans stay on course. This sentiment echoes throughout Parity, prioritizing organizational calm and momentum. For core teams, the leadership swap is about continuity. Projects, roadmaps, and daily plans remain on track. The company's commitment to building robust Web3 infrastructure for Polkadot is unwavering. Behind the scenes, a fresh vision is subtly rippling outward. Wood's return signals a renewed focus on innovation and acceleration. The architectural groundwork is in place, and with vision and execution reunited, Parity is poised to move faster. Parity prides itself on adaptability, a trait that serves it well. The company's culture is rooted in steady hands, ensuring consistency for developers and partners. An anecdote from a dev team captures the mood. Concerns were met with humor, signaling a business-as-usual vibe. The real work continues. Writing code, shipping features, and supporting Polkadot. The Web3 Foundation ecosystem is entering a dynamic new phase. It's marked by a renewed focus on community growth, technical standards, and developer support. Bill Laboon steps up as VP of Ecosystem in 2025, bringing expertise and connection-building skills. Laboon's appointment signals a strategic move. He's known for his approachable style and deep technical background. His role is to nurture connections, onboard founders, and ensure projects find the support they need. Under his guidance, the foundation is doubling down on empowering builders and fostering innovation. The Web3 Foundation proactively shapes on-chain community structure and technical progress. This means setting standards for decentralized networks. Through continuous initiatives, the foundation is onboarding new projects and supporting technical development. It nurtures a vibrant, global community. With Laboon at the helm, the pipeline is brimming with new chains, developer tools, and cross-industry collaborations. These efforts lower barriers for newcomers and accelerate technical progress. Laboon ensures every founder, developer, and innovator has access to resources and mentorship. This commitment to ecosystem expansion sets the Web3 Foundation apart. Polkadot is entering a new era, defined by robust blockchain infrastructure and ambitious scalability upgrades. A bold overhaul of its tokenomics is also underway. As Gavin Wood returns, the network is poised to accelerate its evolution. Polkadot is laying the groundwork for a more interoperable and sustainable Web3 future. The architectural groundwork is laid, and the market is ready, says Gavin Wood. His foundation attracts a new wave of builders. Polkadot's scalable and interoperable blockchain infrastructure is a launchpad for demanding projects. Upcoming scalability upgrades are designed to handle more chains, users, and complex workloads. These improvements are invitations to the next generation of blockchain innovators. With enhanced throughput and seamless cross-chain communication, Polkadot enables previously out-of-reach use cases. Perhaps the most anticipated change is Polkadot's tokenomics overhaul. In 2025, the network will introduce a capped supply and lower inflation. These improvements aim for long-term economic sustainability. They are designed to build confidence among builders and investors. Polkadot's vision extends beyond the crypto-native world. The platform actively supports integration with web-scale workloads and legacy systems. This focus on interoperability is crucial for ecosystem health. It attracts new participants and fosters a diverse, resilient network. These upgrades are more than technical enhancements. They signify a maturing, ambitious ecosystem. At the heart of Parity Technologies lies a builder culture that's anything but ordinary. With Gavin Wood's return, the company doubles down on its roots, a collective of hackers and toolsmiths. They value shipped code over shiny titles. Parity's approach to Web3 project launch support is refreshingly unconventional. Instead of rigid hierarchies, it fosters creativity and experimentation. If you're ready to create something the world hasn't seen before, lean in, says Gavin Wood. This rallying cry is a genuine invitation to push boundaries. Whether launching a new chain or hacking on tooling, Parity is the place. Think of Parity as the open icamic night of the blockchain world. The focus is on what you can build, not your business card. Parity's Polkadot Launchpad support empowers a global community of builders. They experiment, collaborate, and launch projects that expand the Web3 ecosystem. Under new leadership, this builder-first ethos gains fresh momentum. The groundwork is laid, the architecture robust, and the market ready. Parity's call to arms isn't just about filling roles, it's about igniting a movement. Imagine Parity Technologies as the undisputed launchpad for the next generation of digital economies. With recent leadership shifts and renewed energy, could Parity become the SpaceX of blockchain? NAS? This analogy highlights Parity's disruptive potential. SpaceX made launches accessible and aspirational. What if Parity, with its deep roots and builder-first ethos, launched entire digital ecosystems? The groundwork is there. A robust protocol, a global developer network, and proven leadership. To achieve this, Parity would double down on experimentation and inclusivity. Technically, it means more powerful tools and seamless integrations. Philosophically, Parity would champion openness, inviting visionaries from every sector. The call to builders. If you're ready to create something the world hasn't seen before, lean in, is a rallying cry. Could Parity's crew standing by to fuel the rocket become a blockchain meme? It's not hard to picture. In a space where narrative matters, Parity as mission control could inspire new contributors. Rocket pins for testnet launches, digital badges for protocol milestones. These could cement Parity's reputation. Leadership shifts are just the ignition. The real fuel is the ambition of builders choosing Parity. With market readiness high and architectural groundwork laid, Parity's vision could reposition it as a central hub. As Gavin Wood puts it, let's raise the bar together, onwards. The future of Web3 is being built right now, and Parity Technologies is at the forefront. With Gavin Wood back at the helm and a renewed focus on innovation, the opportunities are immense. Whether you're a developer, an entrepreneur, or simply passionate about decentralized tech, now is the time to get involved. Explore the Polkadot ecosystem, contribute to open source projects, or even launch your own chain. Dive into the resources provided by the Web3 Foundation and connect with this vibrant community. Don't just watch the future unfold, be a part of building it. Visit polkadot.network and parity.io to learn more and start your journey today. Hey everyone! Thanks for watching Totes Tech. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next in Web3, Polkadot, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with a friend who loves innovation. Looking to earn rewards with decentralized finance? We recommend checking out hydration.net, a next-generation platform that makes decentralized finance easier and more rewarding. If your account is not attached to a referrer, you are missing out. Add a referrer and you will receive 10% cash back on your own Omnipool trades. Use our referral code today, HFWM14F. The content provided on Totes Tech is for informational and educational purposes only. Nothing in this video should be considered financial, investment, or legal advice. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. All investments involve risk, and you are solely responsible for your own choices.
Stay with Polkadot, the future's bright. Chains connected day and night. Innovation takes its flight. Web3 powered, shining light.